morning everybody, welcome to a sunny Alresford, and I welcome you to the Watercress line and this fine line of gentlemen in front of us. Please enjoy your day in this wonderful town. I thank you for listening, and God save the Queen!
Well, good afternoon everybody, my name's Dave Parsons, I'm the town crier for Alton. I've come over to Alresford today just to help out, a little way day trip. Just like to have a little chat about the role of a town crier. Basically years ago when everybody couldn't read or write, then the town crier was there to give out the proclamations, tell everybody the news, even the price of various stuff at markets. Traditionally they sort of wore basic clothing with a bell, and then over the years it's now been blinged up a little bit and we tend to wear this type of regalia. The regalia I'm wearing at the moment is based on a Regency period because Alton's got a close history with Jane Austen and the Regency period. So I wear a dining coat, a waistcoat, a high top collar and breeches with a full front, all made to a reasonable specification of the time. It's been blinged up a little bit because obviously I need to be noticed in the town. But other than that, you'll hear me if you don't see me. So it's been nice chatting to you. My name's Dave, and God save the Queen.
Oh yeah!